Kajing singaw komen ka bakraw igi kun Kristan jogari India bo poblio bakat sao ula Thung ye Reverend Father Richard Dsouza na kajing slok ki Jesuit Society of Jesus kumu director bathymmai jong start page klur hasahid meneng kapalatip kum ka director of Vatican Observatory lapan pena dagal kharwa news jong ka nongba Rome Kandiat yai Father Richard Lakha Hagowa India House Nam Chijar Kandai Spa New Pupra Ularung Hakaseng Jesuit Kabalatip Haga short form SJ Kabamut Society of Jesus House Nam Chijar Kandai Spa Kandai Punreu Badla Penkantang Lingdo Soblei House Nam Arajar Katway Harin Bola Pendep Yaga philosophy but theology na Pune India nalor kini gijing pule haga kamniam kum ka start blay ula pendap yaga MSc Physics na ka University Heidelberg Germany but ula trei haga Max Planck Institute for Astronomy ula pendap shushu yaga jing pule but la yo yaga kardan doctorate PhD Haga astronomy lingba ka research ka baula pendap hapo Max Planck Institute for Astrophysics hapo Garching Munich Germany ula pendap ru yaga thesis halor concentration and evolution of galaxies ka badai ka postdoctoral program hapo ka school ba University of Michigan Arbor, USA. Father Richard uladairu udukhat papura jonga International Astronomical Union badangshan yo wave asteroid lai hagakarteng jungu.
The Vatican Observatory is one of the oldest active astronomical observatories in the world, with its roots going back to 1582. Headquartered at the papal summer residence in Castel Gandolfo, the observatory was established for astronomical research and fostering dialogue between science, theology, and the Church's intellectual tradition.